Today we're gonna make my own channel. Check out my videos and we're talking about my Lego Magic figures, about this. This one is just a Chinese soldier. Look, half of this.
And the pepperoni.
They're really good at that. And this is another one which just have a gray mask on it. Or gray mask on it. Third one is also a vest and a dog, but the dog is not there. The gun is the best. The third one is the Germans. This is a German soldier with a gun and also a grenade.
I know kung ano pa ang wala kay Leo. Barbie Lego.
Second,
You like the Barbie Lego?
no, I'll give it a 0/10.
0/10. 0. Which is 0/10? This one? This is 0/10.
No, ang Barbie, bali na Lego. Today, guys. Don't. Wait. Okay. Here's the second one, which is soldier with a gun with a hat. See there?
That's a pineapple pizza now.
And the second one,
It's a pineapple pizza because there's no ham on top.
and the 740 pistol. And see you tomorrow.